Welcome to Eric Auto Center. Today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix rear brake for Hyundai Elantra 2013 and Hyundai Elantra 2014 as well. These are the most similar brakes that is working on the advanced vehicles like Toyota and other Nissan. It's multi-system, so we are going to show you step by step how to use it. It is very simple to do it, but unlike the other ones that you can easily place it and fix it. So it's a simple video that I'm going to show you to follow it and do it yourself. So I welcome you to my channel, and if you haven't done so, please hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to say update. So let's take you into the video and see what we are going to do with. Okay guys, today we are going to show you how to fix this brake pad. It's a caliper, but it's unlike the other ones. You can easily place it, and this is a thread type, so you need to tighten it before the piston can go inside. So we are here to show you step by step how you can change a brake pad when it's worn out, but it's quite a bit different than the other ones. So first you need to remove the caliper, and don't also forget to notice that we have left thread and the right thread. So whenever you are working on the driver side, you need to tighten it at the upside down, and whenever you are working out the right side, you have to tighten it forward. That is how you are going to do it. So quickly, brake pad has worn out, and we are going to change it to fix a new brake pad. This is straight Hyundai Elantra 2013, mostly Toyota cars, advanced ones. Okay guys, today we are going to show you how to fix this brake pad. My nose ply here. So with these four corners, this is where you are going to turn this brake nipple so that the pressure will release for you to do it faster. This is how you are going to do it. I have opened the nipple so that it can be easy for me to do it, and you see it is going easily. So it's a right direction, and most cars are the left direction. So it's going, you push and tight, you push and tight until it's get inside. So I have done with the piston. I have to lock the nipple to save the brake fluid, and I quickly insert the new brake pad. My work is still in progress, and I have my brake pad here, which is a single box. It's a single box. So we are going to install it, and that is it. This is a new brake pad, and I have final work. It's very easy to fix it, and at the same time very tricky. As I said earlier, these are the most similar cars like Toyota Corolla, the advanced ones, the Toyota Avances, advanced ones, and the other cars that is coming in the system. It's a rear caliper, but unlike the other calipers. So this is a way in the procedure you have to use to fix this brake whenever it's run out. You can also read the owner's manual or the repair manual for more details and more guiding. Subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell to stay updated. I welcome you to Eric Auto Center, the home of auto tips and all the mechanical fundamentals. Thanks for watching. See you in the meantime.